Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle of this edition. And the previous one was a very hard one. I definitely 4-star Sudoku. So we will continue with the binary puzzle, the fifth one. And let me count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means 4 ones always in a row or in a column. There's always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. Yes, between 2 O's comes an 1. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then can I do this again with an no? Double O, here and 1, then O, sorry, double 1, here and O, then O, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then we have double 1, here and O, then O, double 1, here and O, then O, double O, here and 1, then 1, double 1, here and O, then O, between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here and O, then O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. And then between 2 O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here and O, then O. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here and O, then O. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, then 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Then I need to compare, I think. Yes. No, between 2 1s comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O, double O, here and 1, then 1. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, then O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. So, finish in 3 minutes. Alright. This one is a very quick binary puzzle. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic one. See you later, bye bye.